Before we start this video, I have this show and nothing thing, but he is going to change my voice for 2017, and I'm going to use it as Eric. Good. Eat, sleep, soon start. This time with another witch. Let's go at the living God.
Papá me ha dicho que cuando te lleve, que ella no, que tú con ella no subes las pensiones.
Why not? Why the heck not? Because I love filming this ever. What the heck is this stupid baby? Oh. So someone stops us at the What do you think are you thinking you going? So let's ride. Oh dear. The YouTube boys have the copy from with a star 4,000 video. What the heck I will change my HDR voice to Eric?